how to contact Gmail customer service. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google account and make sure that you're logged in. Then on the home page, scroll down and you will see help options. On the right hand side, you will see popular help resources. So you'll need to keep scrolling down and you will see Ask the Help Community. Tap on it. And here you can see that you can put a short summary of your issue. So you can even explain the problem you're facing and what you've tried in detail, add screenshots and link, and then you can select a category. So it could be account access recovery related, privacy and security related, or account settings and management related. Then you'll check similar content for help, add more details, and confirm and post. So this is how you find customer service on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.